I'm almost done with this CRM, but I wanted to demonstrate what I'm calling workflows. And in this one, it's just adding a contact. So in this CRM, and I mentioned in a previous video, every contact must be associated with a company. One of the major issues we want to avoid is creating duplicates, which can lead to significant data problems. Not just data problems, but it's a financial problem. If you're doing marketing and you're sending out more than one piece of advertising to the same individual, you're losing money. So we want to avoid duplications and make everything nice and neat. So when training your staff, you could instruct them to search for existing contacts manually before adding a new one. So for instance, in this case, I want to add a contact name of Mike Swiffer, who works at Taco Bell. I could search through the contact list, and I'm going to do that by navigating to the contact page, using the little microscope here, and just typing out Mike Swiffer. And you can see in this case, there's no records. Now, I only have a couple records in here for the demo, but imagine if you had thousands, tens of thousands, and the problems this would create. So instead of just searching using the microscope, now I'm going to try using this workflow for the new contact. So the first step, I'm going to open a prompt, and it's going to ask for first name, last name, and company name. So here I'm going to write Mike Swiffer, and the company is going to be Taco Bell. The system immediately is going to check for potential matches. And in this case, it's going to find two possibilities. We have Mikey Swifter, Tacos, and then Mike Swift at Taco Bell Cantina. So in both cases, I know these are incorrect, so I'm going to just select no. Now the system's going to check if the company exists. Since every contact must be associated with a company, this ensures data integrity. And so we found Taco Bell Cantina in Nashville, Tennessee, which I know that's not correct. And it's going to find tacos. Obviously, that's not correct either. So I'm going to say no. And now it's going to prompt me to add a new company. So I'm going to input the company details, and the system will automatically create the new record using the company name I gave at the beginning. It also advises me to double check the company name to ensure that it's the official corporate name, as it's going to be used for billing and invoicing and legal documentation. So now that I've added the new company, I can now proceed with adding the contact. So I'm going to go back to my workflow, and I'm going to re-enter the contact details. Mike Swiffer at Taco Bell. And again, we're going to find our two contacts, Mikey Swifter and Mike Swift, which we know neither one of those correct. Now the system's going to check for a company. Again, it's going to find the Taco Bell Cantina and Tacos, but it also finds the correct one, Taco Bell. And now I can proceed. Now I'm going to be prompted to complete the contact details. Well, first you can see that it automatically created the contact, it put in the name, and it made the connection to the correct company, and it's done that for us. So now I'm being prompted to complete the contact details, like filling in any missing fields, such as the address, if it has a unique address, phone number, email, and other ones. Walkthroughs like these not only prevent dirty data, but they also make the system user-friendly and efficient. So instead of relying on memory or documentation, staff are just guided through each step. And this speeds up processes and reduces errors and ensures that correct data input without having to reference any lengthy SOPs.